Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Very quick video for you today. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air filter or air cleaner on a 2013 Toyota FJ Cruiser. So first things first, come to the driver's side of the vehicle or the right hand side of the vehicle, open up the door fully, just down in the footwell, open up the bonnet, it's a lever just next to your fuel lever, and then come around to the front of the vehicle. There's a lever just next to the Toyota badge. Lift the bonnet open fully. Now over the left hand side, this box here is your air filter or air cleaner box, and it's got 4 tabs, so pull the full tabs down. 1, 2, 3, and then one just at the back here, 4. That'll allow you to actually open up the box and remove and replace your air filter or air cleaner. You may also want to vacuum out any debris that's in the bottom of the box. To put it back, just drop your new cleaner in, making sure the box is down fully, then put up your 4 tabs. And it's as easy as that. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.